This fabulous Mount Lebanon property is the home that keeps on giving. I'm Emily Fraser with the Fraser team at Pyatt Sotheby's International Realty, and I can't wait to show you why this is the home you've been looking for. Entertaining as a breeze in this large living room, featuring a beautiful window with diamond muntin detailing. The living room flows right into a spacious formal dining room with lots of natural light. End the day binging your favorite TV show or reading the paper in your cozy main level den. Imagine family gatherings, game nights, and parties. There's room for everyone. 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms live on the second floor. The headliner is the primary suite of your dreams, with walk-in closet and updated ensuite. Options are unlimited in this bright adjacent bonus room with vaulted ceilings. Sliding doors lead to your patio and this level manageable backyard and storage shed. Just when you thought this home couldn't get any better, a large finished basement hosts another full bathroom and ample laundry and storage space. And don't forget the oversized 2-car garage, which accesses the main floor kitchen. Mount Lebanon is one of the best neighborhoods in Pittsburgh and arguably the entire state of Pennsylvania. Stately architecture, a robust business district, and easy access to Pittsburgh proper are at your fingertips. You can be a part of it all at 1375 Terrace Drive. Contact me, Emily Fraser, for your private tour today.